Hello there, I'm going to show you how to make a dynamic damage system like the one from Doom Eternal, but without having to deal with gibs or multiple skeletal meshes. In fact, it'll all be done using materials. I'll be showing you how to do this in Blender and Unreal, though the basic logic is implementable in Unity and any other engine. Make a character. I've made this simple example character and I'll use them for this video. Segment the mesh into zones by assigning the parts of the mesh to different vertex groups. Damage. Duplicate the character and on separate meshes create different levels of damage. Be sure not to cross the boundaries between the zones. By putting each vertex group on a unique point along the x-axis and the damage level on the y-axis of a UV map, we're able to use render targets to determine which zone is at which level. Doing this by hand would be tedious, so I made an add-on for Blender that does it for you. Check the description and grab it for free on GitHub. Export. You should now have a collection of objects each corresponding to a damage level. Duplicate this collection and merge them onto one object. This way, we only have to manage one skeletal mesh compared to the 18 that would have been. Once that's done, export the skeletal mesh to the engine of your choice. Logic. In the game engine, determine the zone that was hit using whatever method you see fit. Then, modify the health of that specific zone. I used a map from names to indices of the zones to get the zone index from the hit bone name. Now create a render target, that is number of zones wide by number of levels high, where each pixel corresponds to one zone and one level. Now, depending on the health of the zone, switch between the levels by changing the position of the pixel. Use the render target and the materials with the correct UV map plugged into it as a mask. And that's it. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, perhaps you'll enjoy the video I made about animated decal bullet holes. Thanks for watching and peace.